What is an off-grid solar system? An off-grid solar system is a type of renewable energy system that can generate and store electricity, but is not connected to the grid. Off-grid solar systems are commonly used in remote areas where a home cannot be connected to the electricity grid using power poles or lines. How does an off-grid solar system work? An off-grid solar system utilizes various sources of energy to create electricity. The primary sources of energy are solar panels and a backup generator, but we also see off-grid systems using wind power or hydroelectric generators to create electricity. All off-grid solar systems utilize a battery to store the electricity that is generated during the day. The battery stores direct current, which feeds into an inverter. The inverter converts the direct current from the battery and renewable sources into alternating current that is fed throughout the house using a standard circuit breaker box. In essence, the battery and renewable energy sources are taking place of the electrical grid.